Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Nazir and my group member is Subhan Anjum. This is our final project of Digital Logic Design Lab of second semester. We have made coffee and tea vending machine. We used 9-volt battery and regulator which reduces its voltage from 9 volt to 5 volt. We have fixed 3 push buttons. One push button is connected with first AND gate and first terminal of AND gate, and second push button is with second terminal of first 7048 IC. We use two 7408 ICs which is for AND gate and one XOR gate one 7486 IC for XOR gate. We connected three push buttons into respective terminals of IC for giving output, and we connected three LEDs with outputs of these connecting wires. So that this is our project, and now I would show it's working. When we connected three push buttons, then it will give wrong input. It means that input for coin and tea and coffee is 1. We cannot get tea and coffee at same time. When we push two buttons, then this green LED will bright, and when we push when other two push buttons are pushed, then this LED will become bright. It shows that if we give one input for all three switches, it means that we cannot get tea and coffee at same time, so no LED will bright. If input for all three AND gates is 0, then there will be no output. If input for coin and coffee AND gate is 1, then LED for coffee will bright. If input for tea and coin AND gate is 1, then tea LED will bright.